Welcome to Philemathics series where mathematics is simplified. In this video, we are going to be differentiating y equals x to power x. The first thing you want to do is to use natural logarithm to bring down the x. So you want to take the natural log of both sides. If y is x to power x, take natural log of y equals natural log of x to power x. We have ln y. So from the rules, the power multiply the logarithm. So we have x then x. So at this point, we're going to differentiate. To differentiate this, remember if you differentiate logarithm of y, is a function of a function. So you differentiate the outside function, which is log y. You have 1 over y times differentiate the inner function, which is y, which is now y prime. For the left hand side, we have product of two functions, a linear function which is x and a logarithmic function which is ln x. So we use product rule. Recall that if you have y equals uv, the y, the x, where u and v are separately function of x, will be v du plus u the v. So that's how we use for our right hand side. So if our u is x, our du will be 1. If our v is logarithm of x, our dv is simply 1 over x. So we'll substitute this here. V is log x, du is 1 plus u is x, the v is 1 over x. So this can cancel this. So we have y prime over y equals log x plus 1. But our y is x to power x. So y prime will be multiply both sides by y, which is x to power x to power x log of x plus 1. These are our final results. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye.